morning, everyone. I kind of look a little bit like I did last night when I went out, but I just kind of redid my makeup this morning, and we're heading out on a date today.
Yeah, we are.
Ronnie's over here enjoying his new Apple iPad, and he has been on it for 2 days, and I haven't even put any earrings in yet. I better do that. We are, when I say date, we are taking the bus and we're going over to this shopping plaza where Big Lots is.
And the Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree.
And the Mexican.
And then there's a Mexican restaurant we have never eaten at that's called the Tequila Grill. We've heard really big things about it. I looked up their menu, and they have a huge lunch menu. So, you know, when you go into a Mexican place, be prepared to eat, because obviously you get the chips and the salsa and, you know, that free with your meal. And so it fills you up fast. I have my eye on a shrimp chimichanga. I don't know. We'll see what kind of trouble I get into today.
We'll find something good, that's for sure.
Yes. And I
And
will say,
we get all the tortillas and cheese we can eat. So.
right. And now I will say, looking at their menu, that their lunch is really reasonable. The most expensive is like $10. And if you've ever been to a Mexican place, you guys know they really pile it on. So, you know, you're going to get fed pretty good. Then some of the other options that are more expensive are like $13. I personally thought, by looking at the menu, that the really overpriced things were drinks. But that's just my opinion, and I don't drink, so lucky me. I don't need to get that. So I always get a nice water anyways, no matter where I go. And Ronnie can have whatever he wants. What do you want today? A big whiskey? One time I went into a Mexican, reason why I said that is because one time I went into a Mexican restaurant and the waiter did not really speak a lot of English. And I told him I wanted a sweet tea. And he came back with this glass. And I'm like, what is that? And he said, what you ordered? And I was like, what did I order? And he said, whiskey. And I said, no, sweet tea. Oh, gosh. Anyways, I was laughing. Anyhow, I'm going to put some new batteries in my hearing aids and real excitement this morning. And get me a little bit of water to drink. And our bus should be coming in about 40 minutes or so. So we'll be headed out soon.
According to the legend, the very stones rose up to join the fray. Inca Yupanqui won the battle, capturing many Chanca leaders. Later he skinned them in celebration. Pizarro saw the trophies on display.
I'll tell you folks, I'm really enjoying it. Thanks to my baby over here. It's cooking too.
Yeah, it is.
It's fizzing, listen to it.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I've been home a little while. I am not sure what kind of vlog this is going to be. Today, I do not know what happened to me today, but I woke up this morning and I had the worst migraine headache ever. I mean, it was right here. It literally landed me and it was in my eye and it hurt so bad. I almost thought that I was going to have to cancel and stay home today, but I took some ibuprofen and it kind of subsided, and at least I wasn't nauseated anymore. That's the bad thing about being a migraine sufferer, is the nausea. I just did not feel good. And no, it's not, you know, it's not the flu or anything like that. It was legitimately, I knew I was going to get a headache yesterday because from eye strain and from ear strain, it just happens. And yesterday I spent a large majority of time setting up Ron's new Apple iPad that he got, and I knew that I did too much yesterday. So anyhow, we left today and went on the bus, and we went to Big Lots. Reason being is, you guys know I'm having this Christmas party, and the bus doesn't run on Sundays, and the party is on Monday evening. And so I'm trying to get everything all sorted. And so what I decided to do is to go to Big Lots and the Dollar Tree and try to rummage up a bunch of little things that weren't very expensive and put together some kind of games or something that everybody can play, and everybody will go home with something. Something little, not expensive, guys, not expensive. What I do is I will show you guys the prizes the day of the party on Monday, and you guys will see that on Tuesday. That way, my friends that are watching will not see what you can or cannot get, okay? So, with all that being said, okay, so we went to Big Lots, and then we went to the Dollar Tree, and it was manic. It was like shopping in Whoville at 99% off. However, Big Lots had a lot of sales today, a lot of 25% off and 50% off, and I found some great items, and I was so happy. I even found curtains that I needed for my house. That was on sale from $32 to $11 today. I was so happy to find those. I don't know if I've ever spoke about this before, but this house is really tall. It's 3 stories. When we get really cold weather, the first floor gets very chilly. So what we do is we hang a curtain at the top of the stairs to keep the heat from getting up there, and it does help. The thing is that last year, the curtain that I bought wasn't quite wide enough for what I was trying to accomplish. It worked, but it wasn't quite wide enough. Well, I ended up putting that curtain somewhere else. And so when I seen these curtains and I saw that they were blackout and they were thick and they were the right length, I was like, I need to get these curtains. So that's what I did today. I bought some curtains today. I did buy some pretzel thins for my party on Monday. And I bought some Gain laundry crystals because those were on sale today. Hello?
Meg.
So I completely forgot exactly what I was talking about last. Emma came in the door, which is my friend that you know I talk about all the time. She went and picked up Ronnie's prescription at CVS on her way home from her sister's. So she does a lot of favors like that for us, and we really do appreciate her a lot. Anyways, we just kind of sat here and talked about the Christmas party and everything that we got going on and who's coming and all that kind of thing. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to have a good time, so I'm looking forward to it. Finish my tea. I don't know what else I'm going to get done in this vlog besides rambling a whole bunch. I'm sorry. Had such a lovely day today, but I hated the fact that I had such a horrendous, awful headache, and I still have it, like right here in my head. And I'm really thinking just to take a really hot Epsom salt bath tonight and just go to bed early and start fresh early in the morning. And I may just need to do that because sometimes having a headache is so hard to get rid of, right?